This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As we start the bulletin, we appeal to our listeners to stay safe from COVID-19 by following these 4 simple steps. Get fully vaccinated, wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister said that small entrepreneurs are playing a major role in government procurement through Government E-Marketplace GEM. He added that a much transparent system has been developed through technology. During the last 1 year through GEM portal, the government has purchased items worth more than 1 lakh crore rupees. Close to 1.25 lakh small entrepreneurs and small shopkeepers from every corner of the country have sold their goods directly to the government. Modi said there was a time when only big companies could sell goods to the government, but that is changing now. He said even the smallest of shopkeepers can sell one's good to the government on the GEM portal now. He said New India not only dreams big but also shows the courage to reach the goal. In Assam, Union Coal Minister Pralhad Joshi announced that the corporate social responsibility project of 2 crore rupees will be implemented in Darrang district. Joshi made this announcement during his visit to Darrang district, which is categorized under aspirational district. The Union Minister said that Darrang is one of India's aspirational districts under the Aspirational Districts program launched under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that these CSR projects of Coal India Limited will help in providing better education and healthcare to the people of Darrang. Under the CSR projects, Coal India Limited will help in constructing additional classrooms in 19 government schools and also take up 5 projects for improvement of healthcare infrastructure. In Manipur, the 5 working days in a week for all officers and PSUs under the state government will be followed from the 1st of the next month. The state government meeting held after the formation of the new state government decided that Monday to Friday will be working days in a week for all government officers in Manipur. An order issued by the Secretariat of the General Administration of Department said that these working days will be followed by all government officers except vocation departments. The school hours will start at 8 a.m. in all schools across the state from Monday to Saturday. The Department of Education will decide and fix the length of school hours separately for various levels, the order added. ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region, Umiam, in collaboration with Ramakrishna Mission, Sohra, has organized a day-long agriculture technology outreach and capacity building program at Shella Bholaganj under Tribal Sub-Plan for Livelihood Improvement of Tribal Farmers of Shella Bholaganj. On the occasion, various crucially important agricultural inputs worth 5 lakh rupees were distributed to the farmers selected by the mission. More than 80 beneficiaries were covered by the input. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. V.K. Mishra, Director of ICAR Research Complex, expressed that this humble approach would help the organization and the farmers of the area to come closer. Dr. Mishra also shared his vision on establishment of a model village which will be established in agriculture and allied sectors, where the farmers and the villagers can attract tourists with their farm products to this historic place, which is already a popular tourist destination. Meghalaya Government is optimistic not only about completing the construction of the zoo in Ri Bhoi District, but also relocating the animals from Lady Hydari Park to the new facility by December this year. Forest and Environment Minister James Sangma disclosed that the department is in the process of starting the second phase work. The construction of animal enclosures was taken up in the first phase and almost completed, while ticketing counter and parking and approach road to the zoo will be built in the second phase. Sangma said that the department plans to keep the Lady Hydari Park as it is, but in the future it could be turned into an eco-park, keeping in mind its ecological essence and to create more awareness among people on the protection of the environment. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.